So, I shall now declare to you the creation and its secrets. For it is only as long as one invests the perceived object with reality that bondage lasts. Bondage is because the reality of the perceived object. Okay. Once that notion goes, with it goes bondage. Once the notion goes, you don't have to close your eyes. You don't have to close your eyes. You don't have to deny anything. No, I will not see. No, no. The notion of reality, the notion of reality in the objects, once that goes, this is not real. Why? Because this is not what it is. It is only the name and form. A self-realized man can feel his existence there also. How a self-realized person feels his existence in the wall or in that machine? How? How does it feel it? Because he has got a very firm realization. He has got a very firm realization that there is only one existence. There is no two existence. There is nothing called matter. Everything is consciousness. He has got this experience. He has got this realization, feelings, very firm. Why? Because he has felt it. He has felt it, and because he has felt it, whatever he sees, he knows that that is himself. He can feel it. A self-realized person can feel himself even in this matter. He can feel that consciousness. In fact, there is nothing called matter. Matter is Maya. Matter itself is Maya. And to go beyond and to go one step ahead, matter is not Maya. The perception of matter is Maya. Understand? Nothing is Maya. Maya is inside you. There is nothing. Here is nothing. Nothing is changing. Nothing is binding you. Nothing is false. The falsehood is inside you. When the eyes of knowledge opens, when the eyes of knowledge opens, Jnana Chakshu. Jnana Chakshu means the eyes of knowledge opens up. Then one sees that consciousness in everything. That consciousness, what he is. That consciousness, what he is, that consciousness. I am this consciousness. I am this Atma, I am this Brahma. I am this self. When he feels himself as a self, then only he sees himself. Then there is no bondage. Who will bind him? To be, to be in bondage, to bind something, you should have two things. If there is only one, who will bind whom? Okay, so Maya is not outside. Maya is within you. When the notion of reality, when the perception of reality of this matter, of this world, of this outer world, or of this creation will go, then bondage will also go. Bondage. This is Advaita. It will never tell you about anything other than you. It will never blame anything. No. The world is not creating any disturbance. It's you who is creating your own disturbance. It is you who is creating your own trouble. What is the trouble? Your perception of reality of this world is that trouble. What is the solution? Your perception of non-reality of this world is the solution. Whenever I see this world as non-real, whenever I see this world as non-real, then only I will always run towards the truth, desire to know the truth. And a man who desires to know the truth realizes the truth. Okay, realizes the truth. So it is only the perception of happiness. Beautiful. There is no Maya. There is no Maya, there is no ignorance. Only you. Only you. Your perception. Okay. Once that notion goes, with it goes bondage. Here in this creation, only that which is created grows, decays, and then goes either to heaven or to hell, and it gets liberated. Here in this creation, what happens? Only which is created grows. Okay, grows, decays, and thus goes either to heaven or to hell, and then gets liberated.